Hey everybody, Draco the Juggler here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to do the Trapeze Stick Toss. The Trapeze Stick Toss, or also known as the Chinese Suicide, is one of the first stick tossing tricks you may learn with Diabolo. And if you already know how to do the trapeze, it's actually not that difficult to learn. Before you do this trick, make sure that you have enough spin. What you're going to do is you're going to do a trapeze on the right hand side. With the other hand, pinch the stick and point the stick downwards, and also lift it a little higher than the right hand stick. Let that left hand stick go and try to catch the stick again as it swings around. I like to pinch the stick when I do this trick because it gives a nice swing around. As opposed to if you're trying to do that same trick and you just let the stick go, the stick tends to wobble a little bit more. So pinching the stick really helps to release. You can think about the swinging stick kind of like a pendulum. The higher I lift the pendulum, the more speed it will have when it swings around. But if I release it at a lower point, it may not have enough speed and it may not come around the whole way. Since I'm using a fixed axle Diabolo, this trick actually works a little bit better with using it on your dominant side, because the way the Diabolo spins will actually help to move the stick around the Diabolo when you release, as opposed to going the opposite side. The swing of the stick will actually be counteracted by the spin of the Diabolo. Notice how when I'm going for the stick toss, my hand is initially pointed downwards, pinching the stick, and then I rotate my hand upwards and wait for the stick to catch it. This trick is a lot harder if you try to swipe for the catch, so try to just wait for the stick to come to your hand. Remember that when you're doing the trapeze for this trick, point the stick up a little bit instead of pointing it down, because the string will slide off and wrap around the Diabolo. When you're first learning how to do this trick, you don't really want to move the trapeze around, you just want to let the stick swing around and unwrap. It's also important to note that you can control the speed of the stick using the trapeze hand by moving it to the right to slow the speed down, or you can make the stick swing faster by moving the trapeze inward to the left. One important thing about any stick tossing tricks is the weight between the sticks and the Diabolo matters. Sticks that are too heavy for the Diabolo may not swing around that fast or at all and be very hard to control. Whereas opposed to if you have a very heavy Diabolo and very light sticks, the sticks are going to swing around very fast. If you could do a single trapeze stick toss, try to get into a double trapeze and do a double trapeze stick toss. You could even go and do a triple trapeze stick toss. This trick can also be pretty useful for transitioning into under the leg, or getting out of under the leg. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you to learn how to do the trapeze stick toss. Good luck practicing, and I'll see you next time.